Bulla from Fiji.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So I'm currently in Fiji and have been here for about 4 days. Today's our 5th day, but we're actually flying home today. We stayed at Wyndham Resort at Denarau Island. It is absolutely amazing. Would 100% recommend this resort. The only thing I wasn't a fan of was that they don't have any free Wi-Fi. So we had to buy a SIM card so we could hotspot it. So I actually booked this holiday 6 days before we arrived. It was a very spontaneous last minute trip. I'm very glad I came because I had the absolute best time. So thank you so much to the people I went with, Shaylee, Liam, Sharani and Peter, for inviting me. So this is what we've been up to. We're going for a swim and it is absolutely pissing down. First thing you do when you're in Fiji, go for a swim in the rain. What did we just do, Shaylee? Mud bathing! Woo! We just did the mud pools and it was so much fun. Really, really hot though. Now we're going to go get a half-an-hour massage. Don't mind if I do. currently at the garden of the sleeping giant. I kind of expected there to be a sleeping giant, but it turns out it's the shape of the mountain, so it's totally Moana vibes right now. But this is so cool. They're on a swing behind me. If you can see up there, it's pretty cool. So we're just going to walk around. We just did the mud pools and had a massage afterwards, and it was amazing. So we've got a lot of stuff to do today, so we're going to keep going. So we're currently on a waterfall walk. We might be going ziplining afterwards in the, I think it's called the Sleeping Giant ziplining thing. So thank you so much for watching my Fiji vlog. Really hope you enjoyed it. I've had the best time and I cannot wait to come back. Bye.